Imagine that, we've got another TMG Volunteer rolling out. This one going to my man Mark in the great state of Texas. Let me tell y'all something. Texas loves barbecue, and that's why I love Texas, all right? Big barbecue folks down there. Now guys, our Volunteer is our Texas style, traditional flow offset, 128 gallon smoke chamber. I have heard this rumor going around. I'm not gonna claim it to be true, but it's that the Volunteer is the king of the back patio, okay? I'm not claiming that, I'm just saying it's been going around. Anyways, on the inside here, we've got top and bottom sliding trays. We do have a lot of cook room in this unit. We have a water pan shelf off to the side here. That way you can set your water pan up there, not take up that valuable cook room. It does have a 1-inch ball valve grease drain down there. Y'all probably can't see it, but it's down there, I promise.
Putting out the like little propane hooks, or do we have those somewhere already?
I'm videoing, Justice, give me a minute. Anyways, we've got it on our off-road package, upgraded wheels and tires, of course. Fold down stack, that is standard on every Volunteer, it's a fold down stack. Coming around the firebox, we've got our 3/8 thick firebox. Oh yeah, custom stainless steel logo. I don't want to brag, but I've done that one myself. Inside, you can see that 3/8 thick firebox I was telling y'all about, just so you know I ain't lying. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners, makes it easy to strap down on a trailer. But guys, that is my man Mark's Volunteer, so y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit belt, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.